Hi, to share contact card with NameDrop on iPhone 16e, firstly you need to open Phone app. Right now we need to click on this My Card tab and then choose Contact Photo and Poster. Here we got option to edit it, so we can click here and choose Poster and also Contact Photo. So here we can create new or customize this one. Let's click on Poster, select something from here, tap Done, tap Continue, and set Contact Photo. For that I'm gonna use Memoji. So let's just use this one and tap Next. Now I'm gonna also make it pink. Tap Next and wait a few seconds till it will load this information. Now let's go in Name and here set name for our poster. So I'm gonna just write down and click Done. Now we need to enable this name and photo sharing. And right now what we are going to do next is we need to turn on AirDrop. So swipe down from top right corner to trigger Control Center. Click here, tap on AirDrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. Now we need to enable AirDrop on other device as well. So choose everyone for 10 minutes. And what we are going to do next is we need to hold top parts of the phone together like this. And on your iPhone 16e, choose to share. And on your other device, choose to receive only. And after that, you will receive this contact. So you can find its phone number, name, photo and poster, and you can even edit it right here or click Done to save this information. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.